I had a dream last night. Naroon daw kami sa isang evacuation center. Karoon daw ng lindol. I was sleeping. And then suddenly, may kumakalusko sa aking braso. Nang tinignan ko, mayroong isang bata. Tuwang-tuwa sa akin. Sobrang cute ng bata eh. He giggles a lot. And then sa tuwa ko, binuhat ko. Then pagkatapos noon, bigla na lang natais siya. Kaya sabi ko, kanino bang bata ito? Sino bang nanay neto? Dali-dali may isang babaeng lumapit. Sabi sa akin, naku Kuya Mel, sorry ha. Naku, ang likot kasi ng batang ito. Hayaan mo't lilinisin ko. Then pagkatapos ng ginawa niya, pinunasan niya yung dumi sa aking braso. Biglang nawala yung dumi. Merong umalimuyak na napakabango. Parang amoy rosal at sampagita. At pagkatapos nun, nagising na ako. Now let's go into dream analysis. According to Carl Jung, our unconscious self made itself manifest in our dreams. It conveys messages through images and symbols. Sa Tagalog, ito yung tinatawag nating loob, the inner self. Let's now go into interpretation of my dream. Kasi nga doon sa dream, merong sakuna na nangyari. So, nandun kami sa evacuation camp. Now, evacuation camp is a symbol of refuge. The child was amusing me at natutuwa ako. So, ano yung symbol nito? And then, pagkatapos, dumumi yung child. And then, ano yung symbol ng dumi? The child is no other than God. At yung dumi, for me, are the challenges and the pains that I experienced in following Christ. And a woman came to me. So, sa unang tingin ko, parang the woman could be the Blessed Mother. Likewise, I look at the woman as the spirituality, because without this spirituality, I will not be able to rise up from the ashes, from the pains. And then the fragrance. You know, syempre yung dumi, mabaho yan. Pero, when the mother wiped it down, humalimuyak yung napakabango. Amoy sampagita. So, the fragrance, I think, represents the healing part that happens to me.
My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord, and my spirit exalts in God my Savior, for He has looked with mercy on my lowliness, and my name will be forever exalted. For the mighty God has done great things for me, and His mercy will reach from age to age. And holy, holy, holy is His name. He has mercy in every generation. He has revealed His power and His glory. He has cast down the mighty in their arrogance, and has lifted up the meek and the lowly. He has come to help his servant Israel. He remembers his promise to our fathers,